fans.
Rolling is a locomotor movement that involves moving the body from one place to another, such as a baby rolling from their back to their stomach. It is a conditional mental movement skill that helps a person develop coordination and spatial awareness. There are two types of rolling: log rolling, where the body moves as a single unit, and segmental rolling, where the movement starts with the head and is followed by the rest of the body in a more rotational way.
Enhanced neuromuscular control and coordination. Rolling requires the body segments, head, neck, trunk, and extremities to work in coordinate sequence, which improves communication between the brain, nerves, and muscles.
Straightness core muscles. The movements involved in rolling engage and strength the depth, abdominal, and back muscles, leading to improved core stability.
Improves balance and stability by practicing weight shifting and controlling the body.
Increase mobility and flexibility. Rolling helps to maintain or improves the range of motions in joints, particularly in the spine and hips, making the body less stiff and more pliable.
Injury prevention and rehabilitation. By identifying and correcting movements asymmetries, rolling can help prevent future injuries. It is a valuable tool in physiotherapy for treating musculoskeletal dysfunction and improving movement patterns.
Reduce muscle soreness and tensions. When used the self-massage technique, etc., with a foam roller, rolling can help release muscle tenderness, alleviate delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS, and improve blood circulation.
Promotes brain hemisphere communication. The cross midline movements involved in rolling stimulate the development of neural pathways that are also used for cognitive tasks like reading and writing.
Develop proprioceptions. It enhances the body's internal sense of where its parts are in space, which is crucial of motors and tasks.
Infant development rolling. The natural progression of movement where infant learns to roll from their back to their stomach, which produce other locomotion like rolling and walking.
Forward shoulder roll. Common in gymnastics and movement training. This includes rolling over the back of the shoulder to the opposite hip to the move across the floor.
Log rolls. Rolling the entire body as a single unit, which is sometimes used in physical education activities or for core control assessment.
Developing core stability. Rolling maximally challenges and helps train the deviate segmental spinal muscles, local stabilizer, and global core muscles.
Improving coordination and sequences. It helps coordinate moves between the upper and lower body and the core, proximal to distal, and vice versa sequences.
Assessing movement dysfunction. Because rolling is not commonly practiced by adults, the movement pattern can be used to assess for asymmetry composition and for coordination or stability of rotation in the spine and extremities.
enhancing spinal mobility. The rotational nature of rolling helps improve the flexibility and movement of the spine.
Increasing range of motions. Increasing range of motions is rolling exercise can help loosening of muscles and improve overall body flexibility, which contributes to increased range of motions.
Foundation for complex movements. As a fundamental movement pattern learned in infancy, mastering rolling provides to underlining motor control and stability necessary for more complex upright motor tasks and sport-specific skills, etc. Rowing, golfing, tennis, gymnastics.